Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is a versatile and affordable option designed for players seeking a blend of power and control. This paddle is part of Head's popular Radical series, offering excellent performance for beginners and intermediate players. Built with a composite hitting surface, the Radical Elite delivers a soft yet responsive feel, ideal for precise dinks and volleys. Its fiberglass face provides a generous sweet spot and balanced energy transfer, making it forgiving on off-center hits. Paired with a thicker polymer honeycomb core, the paddle offers enhanced vibration dampening and stability, which improves comfort during extended play. The ergonomic grip is cushioned and sweat-absorbent, reducing hand fatigue and promoting confident handling. It features Head's Comfort Grip System, ensuring a secure feel with every swing. The paddle weighs approximately 8.1 ounces, placing it in the midweight category, giving players a solid balance of maneuverability and power. Its standard 16-inch length and 7.875-inch width provides solid reach and control without sacrificing handling. While it doesn't have a textured or raw carbon face for advanced spin generation like premium paddles, it performs reliably across a range of shot types, from baseline drives to net play. Overall, the Head Radical Elite is a strong entry-level paddle that combines quality construction, balanced playability, and great value. It's USAPA approved, making it suitable for tournament play and a dependable choice for recreational and aspiring competitive players alike. Ideal for those upgrading from a basic paddle without spending a premium. Number 2. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Z5 is one of the most popular and widely recognized pickleball paddles, designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking control, balance, and responsiveness. Known for its iconic wide-body shape, the Z5 offers a large sweet spot, making it forgiving on off-center hits. The paddle face is constructed from high-quality graphite, delivering a lightweight feel and quick response time, which enhances hand speed and ball placement during fast-paced rallies. Beneath the graphite surface lies a Nomex honeycomb core, a key component in providing pop and power. This core material is known for its durability and hardness, giving players excellent control over their shots while still generating a crisp sound and fast rebound. At approximately 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the Z5 falls into the midweight category, offering a solid blend of maneuverability and punch. Comfort is another highlight, thanks to the cushioned grip that absorbs vibration and provides a tacky, slip-resistant hold for extended play. The paddle's design and materials contribute to reduced arm fatigue, making it suitable for long sessions without compromising performance. Aesthetically, the Onix Z5 features bold color options and a modern design with the brand's signature flair. It's also USAPA approved for tournament play, underscoring its credibility in competitive settings. Overall, the Onix Graphite Z5 is a top-tier paddle that balances power, touch, and control. It's a go-to choice for players who want a reliable, performance-driven paddle without compromising comfort or style. Number 3. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. The JOOLA 3S series of pickleball paddles showcases the brand's premium performance line, co-designed with pro player Ben Johns. These paddles feature a raw carbon fiber surface, which provides exceptional spin potential, control, and durability. The raw texture increases grip on the ball, allowing players to apply precise topspin and slice shots with consistency. This lineup includes 4 main paddle shapes: Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, and Magnus, each tailored to different playing styles. The Perseus offers a balanced feel ideal for all court play, the Hyperion emphasizes control and reach with an elongated body, the Scorpius suits aggressive play with a pop-oriented shape, and the Magnus caters to players who prefer speed and maneuverability. Each model comes with a 14mm or 16mm polymer honeycomb core, enabling players to choose between more power, 14mm, or more control and stability, 16mm. The Aero Curve Edge design reduces drag and enhances swing speed, making the paddles feel agile and responsive. All paddles in the JOOLA 3S line are USAPA approved, ensuring they meet professional standards for tournament play. The Sure Grip handle adds comfort with a sweat-absorbing, perforated grip, minimizing slippage and improving control. Visually, the paddles carry JOOLA's sleek, professional aesthetic, featuring clean branding and streamlined shapes. This high-performance line is favored by competitive players and those looking to elevate their game with pro-grade technology and design. In summary, the JOOLA 3S paddles deliver elite-level control, spin, and versatility, ideal for players who want precision, innovation, and performance. Number 4. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine Pickleball paddle is designed to appeal to players across all skill levels, from beginners to professionals, offering a vibrant combination of power, precision, and style. Its standout feature is the fiberglass paddle face, which provides a smooth and responsive surface that enhances ball control and allows for excellent shot accuracy. Fiberglass also contributes to a louder pop and a crisp feel, making each hit satisfying and giving players confidence in their shots. Inside, the paddle houses a lightweight polymer honeycomb core, known for balancing power and control. This core material absorbs vibrations effectively, reducing arm fatigue during extended play and providing a comfortable experience without sacrificing responsiveness. The core's design also supports quick ball rebounds, giving players an edge in fast exchanges and dynamic rallies. Weighing in the mid-range category, the paddle offers a good balance between maneuverability and stability, enabling quick reactions and precise placement on the court. The paddle grip is ergonomically designed for comfort, with a tacky surface that minimizes slippage and enhances handling during intense matches. The Tangerine paddle is USAPA approved, meeting official standards for tournament play, which ensures it is suitable for competitive environments as well as casual games. Its bright and vibrant colors add a visual appeal, making it easy to spot and bringing energy to the court. Overall, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle delivers an ideal blend of power, accuracy, and comfort, making it a versatile and reliable choice for players looking to improve their game with a paddle that supports both beginner-friendly play and professional-level performance. Number 5. 60 Quartz Pickleball Paddle. The Quartz Pickleball paddle offers an exceptional combination of affordability and high-quality performance, making it an excellent choice for players who want premium features without a premium price tag. Its standout attribute is the raw carbon fiber surface, which provides superior ball control, enhanced spin capabilities, and durability. The raw texture allows players to impart more spin on shots, helping with precision and tactical play. The paddle incorporates a polymer honeycomb core, known for its excellent shock absorption and balanced power. This core construction helps reduce vibrations, leading to a more comfortable playing experience and less strain on the arm and wrist during long matches. The core's responsiveness supports fast-paced gameplay, offering a crisp and lively feel on every hit. Weighing in the mid-weight range, the Quartz paddle strikes a good balance between power and maneuverability, enabling quick reactions and precise shot placement. Its design supports both offensive and defensive playstyles, making it versatile for various player types, from beginners seeking control to advanced players aiming for spin and speed. The grip is thoughtfully designed to offer comfort and a secure hold, featuring cushioning that absorbs impact and minimizes slippage, which is essential for consistency in competitive and casual settings. Aesthetically, the Quartz paddle sports a sleek, modern look with minimalistic branding, appealing to players who appreciate both function and style. Overall, the Quartz Pickleball paddle is a cost-effective yet professional-grade option that delivers control, power, and durability, catering well to players wanting a quality paddle that enhances their game without breaking the bank.